This is the new multi-detector of fan control. A handy locator for metal beams, wooden beams, water pipes and electric cables in walls. An indispensable helper in households and businesses to find a spot in the wall where you can drill a hole safely. The green LED indicates the device is ready for operation. Two red LEDs show hidden items in the wall. One LED shows electric lines with AC voltage. And three LEDs show the selected range of 12 mm, 25 mm or 38 mm wall thickness. The compact device fits easily in pockets of shirts or trousers. For calibration, the device is placed flat on the wall. The operation button is pressed until the green light is on. Now the device is ready to find hidden objects behind the wall. Now we want to locate different objects on the backside of the wall. As the wall has a thickness of 30 mm, we select the highest range for walls up to 38 mm. The first object is an iron tube. Then a water pipe. Now a wooden beam. And finally an electric cable.